Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to cover how to create table for approximating limits. If you want to approximate limit, we can create table to find the limit of the function at exact point. So today we are going to learn if which one is perfect table to get the value of the limits at this point. Yesterday, don't forget we make a discussion about what's the difference between the value of the function at exact point and the limit of the function at the same point. So if you want to find the value of the functions, you just plug in. For example, in this front of us, if you are looking for f of -2, so just plug in 8 x equal -8 in your function. Okay. And if you want to find the limit, it's something different. You have to check the limit from the left and from the right. So check your graph. You can create graph or you can create table. For example, in this function, which table is the perfect one to find the limit? If you check the first one, yes, the function here tend to what? -8 from one direction only. Yes or no? So this one is not perfect table because you have to from both directions. You have to find the limit from left and right. The second one, yes, we have from left and from what? Right. But the interval of the function itself, if you look here, -2, -2, this is not perfect one. This is not perfect value, okay? Because if you want to find, like for example, when the function, the limit of the function will extend to -8. So we just use decimal numbers between like for between -8 and -7 and -8 and -9 from both direction. We don't use big interval like this one, okay? If you want to check the interval of your function. If you check number C, which is the correct one, if you look to the C, if you look here from -7.9, -7.95, it's a get less and less and less to what? Yes, to -8. From right or from left, if you check, it's going to what? Also -8, -8.1, -8.05, and here it gets bigger and bigger. Okay, so from left and right, both going to what? -8. Okay, this is the perfect description of the table. Okay, so if you look to the second question we have function f of x, h of x, sorry, and this is your table you have. Look to this table and look to the multiple choice and give me answer. When x tend to what? To 1. Okay? And when x tend to what? To 1. So, is it appropriate table? Is it the perfect table we can use or not? No. Yes. Why? Because if you look here, it just tend to what? 1 from one direction, not from both sides. Okay? So, if you look here, we have two options. The table is appropriate. This is not correct. The table is inappropriate because the x value only approach 1 from one direction. The table isn't appropriate because the increment in x value are constant. Which one is correct? Yes, because it's only from one direction, not from both directions. If you want to find the limit of any function, you have to find from left and right, and both approaching to the same value for what? For the function itself. One more question. Okay, but each table is accurate. It's perfect here, but which one is the best one? And how we know? We said you should have limit from left and right, and you should have what? Small intervals. Okay, So I check the three tables we have and they give me answer for the best one, the best fit. Which one is the best to get the limit of the function? First, second, or the third one? Which one is the best? A, B, or C? Let's make a discussion. Here from left, it's approaching what? Yes, -5. And from right is approaching what? 5. So this is the best one? No, because this is approaching -5. This one is approaching 5. So this one is not a good one. The value given is correct, it's accurate, but which one is the best? Now, what about the second one? Yes, this is approaching 5. Yes, from left, and this is approaching 5 from right. Yes, and your function should be between 6 and it's approximately 6 here. So here, this is one good, perfect one. What about C? What about the intervals? Here it's 10 to what? 5, 10 to 5, but it's not perfect answer because here, if you look to the intervals from right, it's big intervals, and this is not will be perfect answer for you. So the answer B is what is the perfect one. Again, just to sum up, to find the limit, you have to check from left and right, and you have to use a small interval, okay, to get the function 10 to what, or the limit of the function when x approach, for example, any number. So what the function approach at this value for x, okay? Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Don't forget your assignment on Khan Academy, please. We have an assignment, same description, same content, same objective. Please try to finish it today. Have a great day. Bye.